Hi friends, today I am explaining the VBA macro for max value. Here column A details here nearly, if you see 1,000 rows are there, 1,000 rows are there, and in this 1,000 rows we need to find out in highest number. If it is difficult to find out, okay, then we need to give that VBA macro with max. Okay, I have created that VBA macro here, alt F11, and if you see this, I have created VBA macro, and I'm clicking the run button. It is showing 110. Just you have to find out it is 110 number is there or not. Okay, this is a 110 number. It is the highest number. Okay, control V. Okay, now I will close this. Now we need to try to uh, write a VBA program, and we will see that highest number. Okay, I am taking that fresh Excel. Here go to file, new. Okay, I'm taking the new Excel. Just have this random numbers. I will copy previous code Excel. Okay, just I closed on that one. Now we need to go with Alt F11. Okay, Alt F11. Here we need to create a one module. Insert module, and here we need to write the code. Okay, here what we need to write the code here, sub max, open bracket and close bracket. Just in that, here we need to write a program. Okay, we need to, here two variables are there, dim ws as worksheet. Okay, next dim max is the double, max as max as double. Okay, these two variables we need to write, and here one uh, small code we need to write here. Set ws is equal to, here, this workbook this workbook dot sheet, this workbook dot sheets, you can open bracket, that's name of the tab here, sheet 1. Okay, here what we have written that set ws is this workbook dot sheet 1. Okay, now we need to calculate the max function. We need to calculate the max number. Then we will go with here, max is equal to same, work book. Here we need to write the function. Okay, worksheet function, dot max. Here we need to calculate the range. We need to open the brass, here ws, which one, ws is the worksheet, right? Ws dot range range, and again open braces. Here a1, here a1 to a 1,000. The 1,000 rows are there, right? We need to 1,000 rows we need to write. Okay, and again another bracket you can give. Okay, now here first set it ws, this workbook dot sheet, a tab name we need to give, and max is equal to worksheet function dot max. as ws range a a1 here, a1 dot a1000. Next I am giving as a message box. Okay, message box, we need to return anything, letter f, and here max comma vb information, that's it. Then we need to run the program. Here it is calculating 110. Now just we will try with the control L. Here I am changing the number. Here 110 is coming, right, highest number. Here I will give as 135. Okay, we will see if it is working or not. Okay, now just go to here. First we need to save this excel. Okay, whenever we need to save this excel, compulsory whenever we need to save this, right, 1 minute. 1 second, just asking. For example, documents. Here save as type is excel macros. Okay, here I am giving as max. Okay, I'm changing macros max, just max 1 I will give. Same name is there, so max 1 to saved. Okay, now we will run the code one more time. 135, I gave that 135, right, 135 is coming. Okay, every time we know no need to go to this excel vba macro. Then you have to go here insert. Here shapes are there, right, whatever shape we need to take that one. If it is this one, right, just you have to draw this one and edit text, edit text. Here just I gave as run. Okay, if you increase the font, just increase it. And now assign macro. Here max is there, just you have to give okay. Then you will click on this one, 135 is coming. Okay, now we are calculating the total count value. Here how do we calculate that one, total count value? Here some numbers are there here. Okay, now I am going with the alt F11. It is a VBA code. Here same insert module, you have to create the module. Here sub count, open braces and close braces. Okay, here we need to give the uh, two values. Here dim, first letter is capital, dim ws as worksheet. It is a worksheet. Okay, and dim, here count, we are calculating count, right? Okay, count as long. Okay, here these two values we need to take that one. Okay, now same set ws is equal to this workbook this workbook dot sheets unders that open bracket and close bracket. Sorry. Here we need to give name of the tab sheet 1. Now this one set ws. Now count is equal to, here one formula is there, count workbook, this one worksheet function dot count, here open braces. Here we need to calculate as a range, ws dot range. How many rows are there? That one, a1 to a1 to a thousand rows, close, and another one close. Here we need to calculate as a message box is equal to any letter, and ampersand, here count comma vba information, vb information not to vba, vb information. That's it. Here if you see sub and sub, we got that one, sub and end sub. Now dim ws as worksheet, dim count as long, set ws this workbook sheet dot sheets count is equal to worksheet function dot count ws range a1 dot a1000. Okay, now I am running this code, count 999 rows. Okay, if you see 1001 is there, upper one no need to calculate, here 999 rows, correct. Now I will enter few more, here 1001 is there, right? I will enter few, I will save this. Okay, I'll enter 88, 56, something numbers. Here I am entering these details. Now here I will give as 1010, I will give. Okay, 1010, 1010. Okay, now I will run the query, 1000 rows. Okay, now we'll calculate it, means we'll see row number 2 to shift control down arrow, here 1000 is there. Okay, now every time we no need to go to here alt F11, just you have to go insert shapes, create the shape, and here edit text, you need to give as count. Okay, just increase the font, that's it. Okay, here we need to assign a macro, count, here coming 1000 is coming, 1000 1000 roses are there, just calculating the count. Okay, here 1000 roses are there, we need to calculate the minimum value with the VBA macro. Okay, just we need to write the program. I'm giving the alt F11. We need to go to here insert module, and here sub minimum value, we need to find the minimum value of the 1000 rows. Okay, here two fields we need to add, one dim as dim ws, as worksheet, dim ws as worksheet. Here dim minimum as double. These two we need to write here, and here as set ws sorry set ws is equal to workbook, this workbook, this workbook, this workbook dot sheets, dot sheets. Here open bracket, here tab name here sheet 1. Okay, just you can copy here, control C, and go to here same alt F11 screen, sheet 1. Every time you can in bracket you have to quotation we need to give. Next minimum value, here min is equal to worksheet function work, this is a formula, worksheet function dot min, worksheet function dot, here w is missing, worksheet function dot min open bracket, here we need to give range, uh, ws dot range, here 1000 rows means range, right? Okay, range, we need to mention that range a1 a1000 or 10 10 1010, close quotation and a close bracket, two brackets are there. Okay, these two are important to write the code. Okay, now message box, message box, we need to write any letter and ampersand min vb information, that's it, our code is ready. Okay, if you see this one, sub and sub dim ws as worksheet, dim minimum as double, set ws this workbook dot sheet 1 tab name, minimum worksheet function, minimum ws range a1 to a1010, and the message box says minimum vb information. Okay, now I will run this program. Okay, 1 is the lowest number, we need to check that one is there or not. control Control shift L, here yes, here one number is there. Okay, this is the lowest number, it is correct, calculating correct. Okay, I am replacing one, we need to give 2, just checking the macro if it is working fine or not. Okay, now every time give control s. Now we need to add the shape first. Go to insert shape, here edit text min. Okay, now increase the font min, minimum value. Okay, as assign a macro, and that's it.